All right, we are on page 54 to do the cursive letter A, uppercase cursive. So it kind of reminds me of a lowercase letter A in cursive. You just make it big is all. So I want your pencils down. Do not work while I talk and teach. I want you to wait. So watch how I do this one. It's called a super C letter because it starts with that curve, just like the C does. But instead of staying open like a C was, we're going to close it to make like a giant teardrop. So ready? Watch. You're going to start in the corner at the top line. You're going to curve like a C, but then you're going to kind of squish it once you touch that bottom line to make it more like a teardrop. And then remember that ninja line where you go straight down and nobody can see you? Ninja, 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 ninja. And when you get to the bottom, you would connect. Right? Watch me do one more. Ready? You are going to start at the top. You're going to curve around like you're doing a C, but once you touch the bottom, squish it up so it makes a teardrop. Ninja line back down so nobody sees you. When you get to the bottom, open up to connect. All right, do it with me. Ready? Pick up your pencil and do the first one. Start at the top, curve around to do your C. Once you touch the bottom, squish it up to make a teardrop shape. Ninja back down, and when you touch the bottom, open to connect. Next one. Start at the top, curve around to do like a C shape. Once you get to the bottom, squish it up, make it touch so it's a teardrop. Go straight down, and when you touch the bottom, go out to connect. You do have enough room for an in between here, not the other spaces, so do one right here. Ready? Start at the top, curve around like you're doing a C. Once you touch the bottom, kind of squish it up so it makes like a teardrop. And then go back down ninja, 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 and then open up to connect. All right, go ahead and put your pencil down so we can talk about the words that you see. So spell this word for me. Ready? A, B, not L. So what word is it? Ab, like your abs on your belly. Next one. A, L, L, all of these words start with the letter A. And then remember, we flip to next page 55 to do the rest of the uppercase words. So spell it for me. A, L, A, S, K, A. What word? Alaska. That is a state in the United States. Next one. A, T, L, A, N, T, I, C. What word? Atlantic. Atlantic. The Atlantic Ocean is one of our oceans. Next word. A, L, A, B, A, M, A. Alabama is another state in the United States. Bama. Next one. A, N, T, A, R, C, T, I, C. Ant, arc, tick. What is it? Antarctic, not Antarctica. That would have an A at the end. Next, last one. A, M, E, R, I, C, A. America. America. So that's the United States of America. So remember, with each one, you are going to trace it first so that your hand gets that practice of how to form each letter. Don't go too fast so that you're not tracing the lines. K's are tricky. And then after you've traced it once, write it once. A, L. If you're not sure what to do next, stop for a second and look at the next letter. Okay, A, S. If you mess up, you could always erase it and try it again. K, that's the last letter. All right, A. And connecting line. All right, finish those words. You're going to do this side first, 54, then do 55. Get busy.